Okay, so I was on the hunt for a bamboo rayon sock that did not slip down. My daughter needed these for tap. So I needed something that was lightweight, didn't fall down, and was quality made. Enter these bamboo rayon 6-pack of these crew socks. Definitely highly recommend these. Made from rayon, derived from bamboo. These socks feel like silk pajamas, lightweight, breathable, and gentle even after a long day of tap. No slipping, no suffocating. The cuffs stay up, and we tested this out. She is wearing these during a dance. The cuffs stay up. Her legs have no problem. They don't cut off her circulation. The material stretches to fit comfortably, and no sagging. The whole comp, very nice. Your feet, but a little fresher. They come in a 6-pack. There are 3 in this pack, and I opened the other pack, but there are 6 in the pack, and they resisted the moisture. They resist odor because no one has time for swamp toes in ballet flats, in tap flats, or in ankle boots. But whether you're power walking, strolling through the aisles of a store, or using these for tap or whatnot, these socks deliver. And I do highly recommend this 6-pack. You really won't want to wear anything else.